to all my courtside baddies, because it's one of those somewhere in the world. Hey guys, it's your girl NiNi Court, and I am back with another video. And welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. So you guys, I'm just gonna do a quick little video today. I had a lot of stuff to do that I just didn't have time to record. I was just kind of like on the go, on the move. So yeah, so we could kind of chat about that like while I do a voiceover. But today I'm gonna just show you guys a quick and easy way to do your eyebrows, like tweezing them or waxing them or threading them, but I'm tweezing them today. And I'm gonna show you guys, quick tips and tricks, and also a great thing that I learned a few years ago that I feel like works best for me, so I don't have to go to a no salon to get it done or anything like that. So if you guys would like to see that, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And please check out my beauty business, www.ninisvanitellc.com, and go ahead and follow all of my social medias. And let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, I am all finished with this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. My eyebrows are now done. It usually takes me about 20 minutes max. It could take me anywhere from 10 minutes to 20 minutes, and depending on how much hair you have, it might take a little longer. But this is the tips and tricks that I use to do my eyebrows to get them basically perfect every time. They're not going to be perfect, But yeah, it's gonna definitely just give you a guide on how to shape your brows exactly how you would like. And yeah, I'm so glad you guys were here to watch me do this, and I will catch you guys in Vlogmas Day 4. Go ahead and stay tuned, and go ahead and comment down below if you've watched every vlog since the first day, and go ahead and subscribe to all of my social medias and check out my website. It's going to be down below. And thank you for watching. Bye.